Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell down below so that you'll never miss another upload. So in today's video, I did want to talk a little bit about some of my current favorites that I have been using on my hair, and all of the products that I mentioned will be linked in my Amazon store, which can be found in the description box below. So first things first, everything starts with wash day. In order to get a good silk press, we need to be washing our hair, and we need to make sure that our hair is clarified to get the best results, the best silk press. So the clarifying shampoo that I am currently loving, if you saw my last wash day routine, this has been a new product for me, and it has worked extremely well on my hair to clarify it and to give me like the best silk press. But let me tell you, this is called the Olaplex number 4C Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo. It deep cleans the hair, softens, restores shine and clarity, and it is for all hair types. Absolutely love this shampoo. Main reason is because it clarifies my hair without stripping my hair and making it feel like straw, like a lot of clarifying shampoos do. So this is sulfate free, so always look for a sulfate free shampoo to use on your hair. Otherwise you're just going to be drying your hair out and stripping your hair of all the necessary oils to keep your hair strong and healthy. So next thing up on the list, these are not new to my channel. You've seen me demo these probably maybe a year or two ago, but these are the Olaplex products, and I had strayed away from these products, and I definitely noticed a difference in my hair, so I have been incorporating these back into my routine. Don't skip these. Make these a part of your routine. It's going to keep your hair strong and healthy. But this is going to be the Olaplex Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment, the number 0. So it's going to prime, repair, strengthen, and protect, and it's for all hair types. So I suggest using the number 0 with the number 3. And the number 3 is called the Hair Perfector. And this is going to repair and strengthen, and it's for all hair types. But these are amazing, especially when you're heat training, if you're relaxed, if you have a keratin treatment, whatever you do, if you dye your hair, bleach your hair, please add these two into your hair regimen. They're just going to make such a difference. So next thing up on my list, of course, is going to be the deep conditioning hair treatment, because we can't, you know, have healthy hair, moisturized hair without the deep conditioning treatment. So the staple, it is the SheaMoisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. This has been with me forever and ever and ever. Like, I'm never going to give this up. I will try other deep conditioning hair masks, but I always go back to this one. This is one that is top tier product. Get this now. Run to the store and get it. And another thing that has been super helpful, that is a game changer, is using a deep conditioning heat cap. That is going to take your deep conditioning treatments to a whole nother level. My hair always comes out so super soft. So soft, so hydrated. You're going to put this on your head. You're going to put this on first, and then you're going to put the heat cap on. I usually leave it on for at least 15 to 20 minutes. And then it has an either high or low temperature setting. You have seen me demo this a few times in my videos. So I've absolutely been loving this leave-in. It's from Kenra. It's called the Luxe One Leave-In. So this does have heat protection properties. So this is good to go in to use right before you blow dry your hair. So I did demo this in one of my, I think a silk press video that I did. Distribute the product through your hair, and then, you know, you'll be ready to blow dry your hair. And of course, I always have to mention my Tresemme Heat Tamer Spray. This is a staple. This always has my hair looking so good. And then it also protects your hair from the heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which we love. We love a good heat protectant. Absolutely love this. Doesn't weigh my hair down, keeps it nice and soft. So you've seen this plenty of times on my channel. I just had to mention it again. So a new product that I've absolutely been loving, like You know, there's been so much hype around this product that I just had to try it out. I did demo this in my last wash day routine, and this is of course called the Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray, and I absolutely love this. My hair looks pretty good, and this is week 2 post wash day, and my hair looks pretty good. I just added some Flexi rock curls in it, but this stuff has my hair looking good. My hair has not frizzed or reverted or anything. It still looks absolutely good, so I would highly recommend to give this a try. Okay, so as far as serums, I have to mention this one because it's just been with me so long and I absolutely love it. It is the Cheese Silk Infusion. Absolutely love this. Now, I usually use this right before I go in to flat iron my hair and do my silk press. I usually use this on dry hair. Yeah, it always gives my hair such a nice shine and luster to it. It smells really good. Okay, so as far as my heat styling tools that I use for my hair, this is the one that I have. It is the Tymo Airhype Lite Blow Dryer. Absolutely love it. And it just basically comes in this box. Concentration nozzle. I do have a comb attachment, but I don't really gravitate towards that. I like to use my paddle brush. So the paddle brush that I like to use, it is the Olivia Garden Nano Thermic paddle brush. And this works really great with the blow dryer, these two together. It just honestly just always makes my blowouts come out a lot better. It gets the ends of my hair very straight when I use both of these together, and I always use the very hot setting on my Tymo. And I did do a whole video on the Tymo. This was sent out to me by Tymo, sponsor video, but I still use this. I love it, and I wouldn't promote anything on my channel that I didn't love. So to this day, this has become my staple blow dryer. I'm so happy that they sent this out to me because I absolutely love it. Way better than my old blow dryer. So I've mentioned this several times on my channel. I've demoed this. You've seen this in many of my videos. I even have a dedicated video on this. It is the FHI Heat platform, and I got it in the 1-inch. This is just a game changer. If you have been experiencing frizz and things from the humidity, this will get your hair all the way right. I have not experienced any type of frizz. My hair does not revert like it used to with my old flat iron. This is the truth right here. You have to try this. And when I do my silk presses, I do use 370 degrees. That is the highest that I will go. Yeah. And then I also love to use currently, and you've seen this in my last wash day video as well. So this is the Diane is what it's called, the brand. And it is this nylon ceramic bristle brush. So you use this to do the chase method while you are flat ironing your hair. This gets it all the way straight. I like this more than the chase method with my rat tail comb. This just grips all the hairs so well so that your silk press comes out nice, even at 370 degrees. My silk press comes out super straight, super shiny, super nice. So next I'm going to be showing you a few products that I use to maintain my silk press, to make sure that my hair stays nice, it stays silky. So first, I'm loving these little crochet netted caps. These are really, really good for when you're wrapping your hair at night, if your hair is straight and you want to wrap it. This has been one of my kind of like new favorite products that I like to use to wrap my hair. I did do a full video on how I wrap my hair using this, so I'll be sure to leave that up above in the cards and down below in the description. And then also another thing that I like to use to keep my hair together while I'm sleeping is the satin edge scarves. They're really, really nice. And they come in, I believe, a pack of 3 from Amazon. They're just really nice. They're super long, so I use this to tie up my edges, and it just holds everything in place while I'm sleeping, which is a good thing. And then of course, you know, I'm going to talk about the bonnet. But yeah, I got these from Amazon. They come in a pack of 4 or so, I believe. And they come in different colors. You get the black one, you get the pink one. I have like a leopard print one, I believe. But they're really nice. Really great quality. And we love the bonnet, so I would highly suggest a nice satin bonnet. So I went to Amazon and I found this shower cap. It has really good reviews and it's kind of like cinched in right here. So it really holds everything in place. There's no gapping or anything where water could get in. I also did demo this and show you how I wear this before I shower in that same video that I did my hair wrapping routine in, so check that out. But yeah, I absolutely love the shower cap. So the last thing on my list, I wanted to mention these because these are something that I use in between my silk presses, like today. So I will go in with Flexi rods, you know, in between my silk presses when my silk press might get a little bit of weight down, or it might get a little bit greasy and I want to wear my hair down without it looking just flat and greasy. So what I do is use Flexi rods. I have lots of Flexi rods, all sizes, and this is something new as well. I also have satin Flexi rods that I have been trying out, which works really great as well. So I would highly suggest to invest in Flexi rods because they give you a lot of versatility with your hair. If you don't want to wear it straight, you can always throw in some Flexi rods to give your hair a curl, and it's a great way to go in to restyle your hair without adding additional heat. So just using a little bit of mousse, or even maybe just a little bit of water. Like right now, I didn't use mousse for this. I usually do. But what I did is just, I used the tiniest amount of the melanin leave-in, and then I sprayed my hair lightly with water, and then I went in with 5 Flexi rods to basically create, you know, like these loose waves or curls or whatever you call them. But I did also do a video on how I style my hair with Flexi rods if you want to check that out. So I'll be sure to leave that up above in the cards and down below in the description box if you want to check out that video. So that is it. That is all of the products that I am currently loving. My staples, products that I would highly suggest that you check out, products that are going to keep your silk press looking nice, your hair looking nice. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It would mean so much to me. Let's, you know, let YouTube know to recommend these type of videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.